Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to edit videos on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. Now in bottom left corner you can see gallery icon, tap on it. Here you will see many photos, videos. Select a particular videos that you want to edit. Let me select this one. Let me select this video. And now to edit this video, you can see downward arrow, tap on it. Now it will show you different features, like you can add music by tapping on music icon and select a music. You can retouch your video by turn on your retouch. You can add your voiceover. Simply hold on a mic and record it. Tap on tick button. If you want to download it, then tap on download icon and it will download it. And now swipe left and you will see download button, tap on it. It will download your video on your gallery. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.